Kum unong thok kubor ubak powel soklet ubala syakri laipo snem hakikam lak patai kubor menta syakakam san hima sima ula syakjit kum MDC na paryong mau that rasyan nak seng thamai VPP hapo kejinglam ubak aden milar besai moi kum presiden ubak powel soklet menta karpyu terik ula bam smai kum MDC hadin ula job na paryong mau that rasyan rekat ki para MDC Kira bam semai hakmat ke DC. Ubak powel sok klet ula penlim yu MDC ke UDP ubak jambor war bat ke kertong ke HS PDP ke kong pinda warjiri ke henmen menteri ke sorkar MDA itu ubak syakliar warjiri. Hakene ke executive committee ke balai alam de ubak syembor lang renja kum CEM ubak powel ula syajit bat cimti kum executive member ke VP ke job marway ke nyungut ke MDC hakaying dorbar ke balai pongut bahkan sensyal marway klaim don kam yang kejing kersan jeng kewe pak MDC na kewe ki parti.
I, Mahmoud Sabet, will be elected as member of the Texas Council, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as ever established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am bound. Thank you.
Al-Husain wa Kawat, Bak Pentau Boklen